Good morning, all of you. Once again, welcome back to our class. Now, discuss about the here topic electrical power and electrical energy. Electrical power and electrical energy. What is the electrical energy and electrical power? Now, discuss about the power and electrical energy. First of all, the electrons are charged passing through the conductor. These electrons collides with the atoms in conductor and their energy loss in converting electrical energy is lost. This energy converting into heat or light. Okay. Now start now. First of all, power statement here. Power statement. The rate at which work is done. It is called power, or the rate at which electrical energy is transferred into a circuit. Transfer into a circuit. Okay, is called power. Another one, power is statement. Electrical power generated in a circuit. Electrical energy produced in resistor per unit time. Third one, electrical power generated is in a circuit is electrical energy produced in a resistor per unit time is called electrical power. Okay. Now electrical power state formula. Electrical here power is equal to electrical energy per time. Electrical energy by upon the time. Okay, is equal to P is equal to electrical energy E by T. Here E is equal to VQ. E is equal to VQ by T, or E is equal to PT. E is equal to here PT. This is the electrical energy. Electrical energy is equal to PT. P is here electrical power. T is time. Okay. Electrically heating effect. The electrical heating effect means the charges when a current passing through the conductor, it becomes hot and its temperature is rising. This is called electrical heating effect or Joule heating effect. Okay. Here the electrons passing through the conductor. Electrons loss their energy. These electrons loss energy. This electrical energy converted into a heat and light energy, converting into a heat into a heat and electrical heat and light energy. This is the converting electrical energy converting in here heat and light. For example, here battery, I will take in one battery. This is a battery, zero potential. This is on here weak potential. EMF of the cell here E, internal resistance of the cell here R. Okay, here discharging cell, discharging of a cell, discharging of a cell. When current passing drawn from a cell, when the current drawn from a cell, here current flowing from cathode to anode, cathode to anode. After in this process, the cell is power is generated. Power is here generated. In this process, here power is generated. So this negative charge and this is a positive charge Q and current I. Current inside the cell, cathode to anode, and outside cell is current here positive anode to cathode. So this process here, cell is discharging, power is generated. Power is here generated. Power is equal to V I. Power is equal to here. Another process here, the current passing from positive terminal to negative terminal, anode to cathode. This one here zero potential, V here potential zero. Okay. In this process, the cell is charging. Cell is charging. Power is dissipated here. Power is dissipated. Power dissipated and cell charging. Okay. In this process, here cell is charging. Power is dissipated. In this case here, discharging, cell is discharging, power generated in the cell. Okay. Now power generated in the power is equal to VI. Electrical energy here VQ. Okay. Electrical energy by the cell. The electrical energy burden by the electrical energy by cell in a circuit. Here electrical energy is equal to VQ. Electrical power is equal to VI. Power is equal to here VI according to Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR. Here this value is V is equal to IR. Substituting here V I R into R, that is equal to I square R. I square R. Another one here I is equal to V by R. V by R, that is equal to V by R into R whole square. V square by here R. V square by R. This power is equal. Power formulas, these are here power formulas. P is equal to VI, P is equal to I square R, P is equal to V square by R. These three are electrical power formulas in electrical circuit. And electrical energy, power is equal to energy by electrical energy by time. So electrical energy is equal to power into time. These power formula substituting here, so electrical energy is equal to P is equal to VI T and P is equal to I square RT, and P is equal to V square by RT. These are electrical energy formulas. Now some problems on electrical energy and electrical power. Okay. On electrical power and electrical energy. First of all, here this one battery, the current passing through 3 ampere this battery. Okay, voltage difference between here V is equal to 12 volt. V is equal to 12 volt. Find the power. Find the power. Here I is equal to 3 ampere. Here V is equal to 12 volt. The power is equal to formula here. First of all, formulas. Power is equal to VI is equal to V square by R is equal to I square R. These are power formulas. These are here power formulas. This value substituting P is equal to 12 into 3 is equal to 36 watts. The power is 36 watt. Next one problem. For example, the current passing through the resistor. The current passing through resistor. Here R is equal to 3 ohm. I is equal to, for example, 2 ampere. This current passing through the resistor with time, in time t is equal to 3 seconds. For example, t is equal to here 3 seconds. Find out the electrical power and electrical energy. Okay, electrical power and here electrical energy. 2 ampere current passing through the resistance of the resistor. Here R is equal to 3 ohm. In time here t is equal to 3 seconds. Find out the electrical power and electrical energy. First of all, electrical power given time values here I is equal to 2 ampere, R is equal to 3 ohms, and here time t is equal to 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Power is equal to, in this term, the relation between current and resistance. So power is equal to I square R. I square R. So this value substitute. I is equal to 2 square, R is equal to here 3. 2 2 ja 4, 4 into 3, 4 3 ja 12 watt. 12 watt. And electrical energy I square RT. I square RT. R electrical formulas PT is equal to V square by RT is equal to I square RT is equal to VIT. These are electrical power things. So electrical power is equal to the relation between here power and time. Power and time. So power means here 12 and time 3 seconds. That is equal to 13 3 ja 12 3 ja 36. 36 watt. Sorry, watt, not watt, joules. Yeah. Electrical energy, heat energy, electrical heat energy is equal to 36 joules. Next problem, example problem based on the electrical energy and electrical power. This is a resistor. The power of the resistor here P is equal to, for example, 72 watt. Power of the resistor here P is equal to 72 joules. The current passing through this resistor here 0.6 ampere. 0.6 ampere. Find out the here resistance. Find out the given circuit here resistance. Okay. Here given data, current is equal to 0. ampere and here power is equal to 72 watt. 72 watt bulb. So the relation between current, power, resistance. So P is equal to V square by R. P is equal to I square R. This formula is using. So power is equal to I square R. Here R is equal to P by I square. P by I square. Now I values here 0.6. P value is 72. So R is equal to 72 by 0.6 scale, that is equal to 72 double 0 36. See, 6 6 36, 0.36, sorry, 0.36, that is equal to 36, that is equal to 30. 36 1 here, 32 that is implies 200 200. This is the power. Power is equal to R is equal to 200 ohms. Next one, here all resistors having one R. These are all circuits arranged in different arrangement. Write the increasing order. The resistance powers of the increasing order. Increasing order of power dissipated. Power dissipated or power dissipation. Here all are having resistance of all are resistance have are 4 circuits here. This problem, IIT problem, IIT JEE 2003. Here given circuits, 4 circuits, increasing power dissipated, increasing power dissipated. Here given 4 circuits here. First circuit here. Okay. Second one. This one here. Second one. Third one. Okay. Fourth one. These circuits having same resistance, identical resistance R, this R. This problem given IIT JEE 2003 mains. Okay. Arranging the increasing order of power dissipated. Here power formula, first of all, P is equal to I square R. Here power is constant in this process. Here power is current is process. Same current passing through the incoming into here outgoing. In this process, incoming current is equal to here outgoing current. Here incoming current is equal to outgoing current. Incoming is equal to here outgoing. So power is constant. Here power is constant. So power P directly proportional to R. P directly proportional to R. Now we will write first circuit. Here first circuit, these 3 are in series combination. So the sum of the individual resistance, the effective resistance of the these 3 R plus R is equal to 3R. This one here, first case. Here second circuit here, these 2 are in series. These 3 series parallel to the these are. So 2R into R by 2R plus R, that is equal to 2R by 3 is equal to 0.66 ohm. Implies second one, effective resistance of this circuit is equal to 0.66 ohm. This is a second circuit. The third circuit, these are 3 in parallel combination. This one here, 1 by effective resistance is equal to 1 by R plus here 1 by R. 1 by R. Simplies 1 by R is equal to here 3 by R. Effective distance is equal to R by 3. R by 3. So 1 by 3, 0.33 resistance. This one here, third circuit, effective distance of the circuit is equal to 0.33 R. Okay. Fourth one circuit here, fourth one, effective distance is equal to, these two are in parallel and this effective distance of this sub circuit connect to the series combination of this R. So R 1 by R, effective distance R by 2R, R by 2 plus R is equal to here 3R by 2, simplies 1.5 R. So effective distance of the fourth one, effective resistance of the here fourth one is equal to 1.5 R ohm. Okay. Now arrange the increasing order. Minimum values, first of all write the minimum values in 4 circuits, 4 values. I values here, I values 3R. Next I values compared to 3, 0.66, 0.33, 1.5. This one here second. Third one this compared to this third, this one here fourth. Increasing order. First of all we write the less values. So less values here, third less than, after 3 case 2, after compared to this two, fourth one, finally here first one. This is a increasing order of the given circuits. This problem given IIT JEE Mains year 2003. Next other problem, concept of the power and electrical energy. Okay. Here given circuit, concept problem. Okay. For example 3 ohm, 6 ohm, 2 ohm. The current passing through this circuit here I, for potential difference here, applied potential 12 volt. 12 volt. Now this circuit, find out the individual values. Main current in the circuit, power of the circuit, individual currents of the R3 here, 3 ohm distance or 6 ohm distance. Okay. First 4 options. First one here, main current, find out the main current. Second one, power of the circuit. Third one, current passing through the 3 ohm resistance, find the 3 ohm resistance. Fourth one option here, current passing through the 6 ohm resistance here, I2. Okay, lead. Now in this circuit, this one here I1, this one here I2. This current passing through a junction O, dividing in two parts. One here I1, another one here I2. The I2 passing through 6 ohm distance, I1 passing through 3 ohm distance. After that, this current here this I current passing through the 2 ohm distance. The outgoing current is same I. Okay. Find out the main current in the circuit. Now find out the effective resistance of these 3 resistances. Okay. 3 ohm resistance, 6 ohm resistance, these are two in parallel combination. So substitute of this circuit here, effective resistance, these two 3 into 6 by 9 is equal to 6 3 ja 18, 18 by 2 2 ohm. 2 ohm. The effective distance of the this circuit here is equal to 2 ohm. These 2 ohm connect with the these 2 ohm. So these two are in parallel series combination. Effective distance of the this circuit R is equal to effective distance of the this circuit R is equal to here 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 ohm. 4 ohm. Simplifies effective distance here 4 ohm. Okay. Now first of all find out the main current in the circuit. So main current is equal to I is equal to formula V by R. V by R. V is from Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. I is equal to V by R. This value substituting. Then V is equal to 0 volt by here R is equal to 4 is equal to 4 1 ja 4 3 ja is equal to 3 ampere. Main current in the circuit is equal to 3 ampere. Next one, power of the circuit. P is equal to power of the circuit. P is equal to I square R. P is equal to here I square R. Okay. Now here I value is 3 amperes. 3 scale. Here R value is here main current, the main resistance of the circuit. Here R is equal to 4. 3 3 ja 9 into 4. 9 4 ja 36 watts. 36 here watts power. Next to find out the individual currents in the sub circuit I1 and I2. Okay. The I1 passing through 3, I2 passing through 6. These are two in parallel combination. The main current here I1 formula here I1 is equal to main current into opposite resistance by total resistance, and I2 formula main current into opposite resistance by total resistance. Okay, these formulas are this one. So I1 is equal to main current here 3 ampere, main current here 3 ampere, 3 into R2 values here, this one here R2, this is a R1, R2 6 by total resistance 3 plus 6, that is equal to 18 by 9, 9 1 ja 9 2 ja, that is equal to 2 ampere. So here I1 is equal to 2 ampere. I1 is equal to here 2 ampere. Next one I2. Next one here I2 is equal to I into R1 by R1 plus here R2. So I1 main current 3, R1 3 by 3 plus 6 is equal to 9 by 9. 9 ja 1, 9 1 ja 9 1 ja, so is equal to 1. Simplifies here I2 is equal to 1 ampere. So main current I is equal to I1 plus here I2, that is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 ampere. Okay. Right.